This is our best-selling 2-in-1 gas and electric room heater. Accessory parts. Open the top and the bottom panels. Secure the side panel with the screws. Secure the base panel with 4 screws. Install 4 casters with screw nuts. Use a spanner to secure. Insert the back panel. Install the knob. Let's take a look at the product. It is suitable for indoor heating because it is equipped with high safety anti-tilt safety device and oxygen depression sensor. It has 4 wheels for easy movement. High-quality ceramic burners are heated quickly. It is the essential autumn and winter goods product at home.